Video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix age restriction on Discord on an Android phone. So let's get started. Now on Discord, age restrictions often appear when your account says you're under 13 or under 18 for certain features. Then Discord needs an ID verification for age restricted servers or features. Now we're gonna see on how to fix it on Android, okay? So first of all, you can go ahead to your settings. So settings, and here you could go ahead and click on account. Now here you should see a birthday option, but obviously since I don't have a age restriction warning, nor did I make my account using my birthday, I won't be seeing it. But you might be seeing it here, so make sure your birthday is correct and it meets Discord age requirement. You can't change your birthday freely if Discord thinks you're underage. In that case, you need ID verification. Well, the next fix is to verify your account. Now, if age restricted content shows you must be 18 plus, tap verify your age or go to user settings, privacy and safety, and age verification. So if I go to privacy and data, I won't see the option here because obviously I don't have the error right now. Now, when you see it, you have to go ahead and click on age verification, and then you have to upload a government issued ID. It could also be your passport, driver's license, or anything. Discord will check your ID and remove age restrictions once verified, and this can take from a few hours to a few days. Well, another fix you can perhaps try is reinstall the app, and then there's another fix which I'll show you. You can try going to settings, and from here you should go to apps. So I'm just gonna go ahead and search apps, right? Then I'm gonna click on apps, and from here I'm gonna search Discord right there. Here you could go ahead to storage, and you could go ahead and clear cache, and this can sometimes fix the age restriction thingy. And well, the last resort is create a new account. Now, if verification is impossible and you are actually over the required age and you have used the incorrect birth date, well, make a new account and this time make sure you use the correct birth date. Well, those are the only feasible fixes that could help you get your account back. So, alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.